Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to show you how to make a search bar that searches through posts only on WordPress Blocksy. Okay, so let's say we have our blog archive over here, and we want to put a search bar. And we only want it to display the results which can be found in our blog archive. And if we were to open a search bar right now and search for whatever it is here, we might end up showing some products or some other pages. So let's go ahead and open a customizer and create the search bar first, and then apply the filters next. Okay, so we're here on the customizer. There's a few ways we could do this. The first is to open our header and insert a search bar here. We can remove the color switch and our account just for the sake of this video. Okay, we have our search bar here, and for this, let's reset this to default. Okay, and this one we can make it a bit longer. And with this search bar, we can go ahead and scroll down, and we have our search through criteria. Okay. And we can, well, since we have live results on, let's go ahead and search. Okay, wait, let's refresh our preview here. Power bank. Okay, with our live results, you can see we have why does my power bank not last, latest power bank trends. But beyond that, we also have some products here. If we were to click on these, we'd end up in our site. So in our shop page, our WooCommerce end of the site. Now, in order to prevent that, and if we wanted our users to only go through our blog posts, let's untick pages, let's untick products. Let's reload this. And search. And you can see we only have our posts here. Okay. Another way we can do this is by creating a separate header. Keep in mind that with this header, it appears on the whole website. Now, if we were to create a new header here and call it posts blog posts search bar. Okay, well, we can select this. Oops. Delete this. All right. Let's do that one more time. Let's create a new header. Copy elements from the global header and call it blog posts search bar header, and create a new header there. And we basically copied it, right? This is a search bar for our blog posts. And you can see if we click on this, we would have posts only. But if we were to go in global header and click on the search box, we can enable pages and products. Okay. And then let's go back to the blog posts one. Click on the search box there, and you can see it's only for posts. So how do we make sure that this appears only for our blog archive? Let's put this here, and under edit conditions, let's add include post archives and save the condition. And then we can exclude this on all singulars and then save the conditions and then reload it. Okay. We can go to the home page, and here we are. And once we type something here, let's say again, power bank, it should be for posts only. And then for the global header here, we have our power bank And you can see we also have our products here. So let's go ahead and save our changes by clicking on Publish. Okay, and we have our blog page here, Power Bank, and you can see we only have posts here. And if we went to our home page and we search the same thing, you can see we also have our products included here as well. So there's how you set a search bar on Blocksy to search through posts only. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, as it really helps us out with the YouTube algorithm. Show this kind of video to other nerds like us. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.